What is good, YouTube? JPR Tech here, and today I got a review of a silicone clip that you could get from the dollar store in Japan. And I got mine from Seria. If you know, I did a review of a few videos ago of a clip-on lens, ultra-wide clip-on lens that you could adapt to the iPhone that actually worked pretty well. Well, today I'm doing a silicone clip or a rubberized clip that acts as a clip. You could clip things together such as earphones or USB cables, in my case the lightning charging cable, as well as work as a stand. Now, while not being as sturdy as a dedicated stand, it does work for on-the-go type of things. You know, just pull it out, unwrap it, and there you go. You prop up your phone and watch away movies. It's just a quick, easy way to consume media, but at the same time keep your things organized in the bag. Now, this is especially important for us in 2018 because ever since the release of the iPhone 7 and the lightning port earbuds, Apple has done away with the plastic case that I really love, and it used to come with the older iOS devices. Well, now since that is gone, we gotta resort with keeping and protecting our earbuds in other ways. And this is a really cheap way to wrap up your earbuds and keep it in your bag, and it's not half bad looking either. It looks pretty good. It's got this rubberized material that is grippy and sturdy. Yeah, and that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoy this quick review of a silicone clip that you could get from the dollar store. Don't forget to subscribe because I will be posting videos weekly, whether it's a review, how-to videos, or doing ghetto things like this, you know, finding things that are cheap that really help us use what we have the best way possible. Now, if you do like what you're watching, go ahead and subscribe for future videos. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.